Hello, it's Carlos, your DIY plumbing guy. If your toilet is always running, you may be wasting a lot of water, and the fix may be as simple as replacing your flapper. An indicator that you need the flapper replaced, it's a slow loss of water in the toilet bowl. Another indicator is that you can hear clearly the water running out of the bowl. To start, first you shut off the water line to your toilet and you give it a flush. Then remove the cover. The flange is located in the center bottom of the toilet bowl. Remove both legs of the flapper. Depending on your toilet, it may be a little different than what's shown in here. And then remove the chain attached to the flapper. Now that you have removed your flapper, you can take it to your local hardware store and get a replacement. Or as you can see, I bought two different ones to see which one I had at home. And generally, you're gonna find two different sizes, a 3-inch flapper and a standard 2-inch flapper. For this case, my toilet requires a 3-inch flapper, and this is the one we're gonna be replacing this piece with. One last piece of bit of information before we replace. To know if you really need to replace a flapper, all you gotta do is look at the flapper sideways. A functioning flapper is always parallel to your toilet flange, so you know once it opens and closes, this completes the seal, and obviously you don't have any running water. A used flapper, in this case the one I pulled out, right, as you can see, it's not flat all the way, which means I have water penetrating inside through here. These universal flappers, you have the option to turn these legs 180 degrees outwards and have a different mounting distance. For this toilet, we're gonna use them the way they came from factory, which is turned inside. Another point worth mentioning is how to adjust these flanges. To start off, you want to line up the arrow with the number 1. If you don't know which setting your toilet must be, starts with 1, mount the flapper, give it a flush. If everything flows out, that's a good setting. If you need more water, increase the flapper from number 1 to number 2 by turning this. And as you increase, you are allowing more water. Now they're ready to mount. We're gonna take this flapper and we're gonna mount those two legs in the supporting point. And then you take the chain and you hook it to your flush lever. Turn the water on and let the bowl fill up with water. A good sign is that you no longer hear the water running out of the bowl. Now you do a flush test. And there you have it, no more water being wasted. For the parts I used in this project, check the description below. And if this did not solve your problem, you may have to rebuild the whole toilet. And if that's the project you want to tackle next, check out this video on how to rebuild the toilet. As always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.